Preserving natural resources means using the Earth's materials, such as water, air, forests, minerals, and soil, wisely and sustainably so they remain available for future generations. Here are 10 ways of preserving natural resources. 1. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting new trees, afforestation, and replacing cut trees, reforestation, helps restore forests, prevent soil erosion, improve air quality, and support biodiversity. Example: tree planting campaigns in deforested areas. 2. Water conservation. Using water efficiently by repairing leaks, collecting rainwater, and reusing greywater helps preserve this essential resource. Example: using drip irrigation instead of flooding fields in agriculture. 3. Recycling and reusing materials. Recycling paper, plastics, glass, and metals reduces the need to extract new raw materials and minimizes waste in landfills. Example: using recycled paper instead of cutting new trees. 4. Using renewable energy sources. Switching to solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower reduces dependence on fossil fuels and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. Example: installing solar panels in homes and schools. 5. Practicing sustainable agriculture. Using organic fertilizers, crop rotation, and natural pest control maintains soil fertility and reduces environmental damage. Example: small-scale farmers using compost instead of chemical fertilizers. 6. Reducing pollution. Avoiding activities that release harmful substances into the air, water, or soil helps protect natural ecosystems. Example: proper disposal of industrial waste and minimizing vehicle emissions. 7. Wildlife conservation. Protecting endangered species through wildlife reserves, anti-poaching laws, and habitat restoration preserves biodiversity. Example: creating national parks and game reserves. 8. Practicing energy conservation. Turning off unused lights and appliances, using energy-efficient bulbs, and insulating buildings helps reduce energy wastage. Example: using LED lights instead of incandescent bulbs. 9. Population control and family planning. Managing population growth helps reduce excessive pressure on land, water, and forests. Example: educating communities about family planning and resource management. 10. Environmental education and awareness. Teaching people about the importance of conserving resources encourages responsible behavior and sustainable lifestyles. Example: school programs and campaigns promoting reduce, reuse, recycle.